All right, pardon the mess, everybody, but here's the update. Frames all together, attached, carbs back in, wiring and shift linkage is getting hooked up, batteries in, made a snorkel, the new snorkel. It's gonna come out on passenger side. Fuel tanks are mounted. Got the supply outlet on it. Just got to route the new lines. Still need to bend the snorkels for the vent tubes. Fix this dual. I'm doing a color change. Put some black stripes on it because they originally had them. And I think we're gonna go with tan, a desert tan. Kind of like it a little better than the deep forest. So, easy wheeler update. Got the fuel tanks on. Old zero turn fuel tanks. Flatbed is now mounted with hitch. We'll step up. Exhaust is reattached. Boom. Little gooseneck. I always seen them little Power Wheel cars that people make for their kids with the little gooseneck trailers. So this one here is gonna be for cash money. I had to make it a little bit bigger than all the little Power Wheels, you know. Can't let money ride around on battery power. It is gas power. Full drive, linkage is ran. Oh shit. Yeah, main power. These are gonna be the lights. Push to start coming. Snorkel's made. Gonna work on the vent tubes. They're gonna come out of that hole. And we'll clean the fuel gauge off. Oh. Still need to mount the oil cooler. Still need to tie golf cart frame to a new four-wheel frame, paint everything, hook up the throttle cable. Still need to figure out how I'm gonna put brakes on it. I haven't had brakes on it yet. It's kind of sketchy when you go to stop. Need to finish that up. That little dual wheel here. These are John boat seat mounts. This one, I lost the actual piece that goes over this one, so I had to make one. This one over here still got the clip in it. Then I got them bolted in. And these tires are full of good stuff. 9 cans per tire on the outside duals. Hard as a rock. And that's the easy wheeler so far. They'll be up and running before too long. Steering's reattached. This is the reason I had to rebuild it. Is we went to a deer lease Went to turn to get on the road to go to where we had our truck parked at a buddy's house, and it kind of went straight when I turned. So we kind of crashed in the ditch, but steering is hooked back up. Should be all right. It was originally an Easy Go golf cart and a King Quad 300 four-wheel drive that I chopped the frame, extended it 25 inches, got the drive shaft in and extended over there. Getting pretty close to riding it. Need to adjust the clutch a little bit. May or may not figure the brakes out. And then cannot decide what color I'm gonna go with. The tan, the deep forest, or the regular green. It's already painted this color. I think the tan. The tan looks a little cleaner. I don't know, let me know. So, update on the Easy Wheeler. Gooseneck trailer is made with the 10-inch lift. Starting to look pretty pimp now. Still don't know what color I'm gonna paint it. I think I'm going with tan and black. Pretty pimp, if I don't say so myself, or do say so myself. Snorkels on. Electrical and shift linkage, all that's left. Fuel lines. We're going to ride it.